What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my next video. In this video, I'm going to be drawing Baki Hanma from the anime series Baki the Grappler. And I know I've been getting a lot of requests on my TikTok and Instagram, and even here on YouTube to start doing a little bit more tutorials on how to draw muscles or the muscle structure in the anime Baki, which has the insane ripped musculatures of the characters from the show. But I'm going to be doing a lot of those videos soon, which will be probably like a long tutorial where I'm going to be showing how each of the muscles curve in and the extremity of the muscles from those particular characters, which is kind of the type of style that I like drawing, which is why you probably see a lot of those different posts from on this channel. So hopefully I'll get a little bit more into that and have a lot more narrated videos and longer videos, which probably won't be speed drawings for those particular ones, just to give you kind of an insight on how to do them. So right now, enjoy the rest of this video and take care. Stay safe.
On and make it